YouTube? It's the man, the myth, the legend, the GOAT, aka your grandma's favorite streamer. Off the imitate, never duplicated. Fuck is you talking about? Today we're all watching AMP runs a fruit truck. Let's get into it.
Click join, give perks, become a channel member.
I'm also live on Twitch doing this, by the way. So you know what I'm saying? You know the vibes. You know the vibes.
Come on, one fool.
I don't want to know the tapes. Whoa. Oh, shit.
I understand, but I really be cooking. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a cook, but I be cooking. You know how you got a skill that you have, but you don't know you have it? That's me.
Chris and Davis is a terrible team.
Hey, Chris and Davis, on three. 1, 2, 3. Davis and Chris.
I grew up in a household where my mom could always cook for me and my dad could always cook for me. So I know I got potential.
Me and abuela cooked, you know what I'm saying? Even abuela, I know that, she always cooked.
But why are we always talking about cooking? You know
Okay.
We're not talking about the political
economic state of the economy. This nigga Chris is a fucking idiot.
Order in the court.
All right, bet. Let's get it poppin'.
Hey, dude, if you don't pay attention, we're done. We're done.
We done anyway, bro.
Whoa.
No.
Whoa.
You can cook, though, ain't you?
Yeah, have a little bit of faith, man.
I can cook, too.
Yeah, say it. I want to hear you say it.
I can do anything I put my mind to.
Talk about it, King. And at the end of the day, it's all about execution.
Y'all want to know my stats? I've successfully cooked 0 meals. I've almost burned 3 homes down.
W.
My food is almost always undercooked or overcooked. There's no in between.
Chop cheese. Nah, grabbing it in one hand is crazy, but grabbing it with two. Nah,
Hey, yo. And first of all, once again, I just want to say, fuck Agent, because he's my biggest hater, bro. Nigga, only thing I can't do, so you ass. You so ass. Fuck that nigga Agent. Fuck him.
Everything? Yeah, everything. Put the plastic. Thank you. I will let you cut this, but the way you have that knife, dog, I got you. Nah, I'm good, bro.
Nah, let him do it. Let him do it for the one time.
Bro, I want.
Let's see. All right.
Nigga dropped it.
Come on, bro. Come on, I need you to tighten the fuck up. You on my team, nigga. Come on, he just said it. He literally just said it, bro.
I think the first time I cooked was in the first AMP video when y'all tried to make me swallow that worm. I was not doing that.
You need this?
Nah, brother. Hey, bro, if you gonna hand it to him, you gotta hand it like this right here.
My fault.
Brother, I appreciate safety.
I was never in the military.
Yeah.
They didn't teach me.
See, I was saying about y'all country, you guys, man. I like that. Yeah, manners.
None though, man. Shit, my mama know how to cook though. She probably one of the best cooks in the hood. Everybody go to my mama's house. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? She cooking. We going there, but I ain't never cooked, so fuck it.
I was burning the bacon and shit. Huh? I used to burn the bacon. Taste it. Yo, what the fuck? You eating raw meat? You eating raw dick?
Hey.
Davis.
Good job, nigga.
Paper in there, my boy.
I looked in the previous video and Davis can't cook, so I'm gonna have to.
Davis cannot cook.
Nigga, I guess it's just something that anytime Davis on your team, you just gotta carry the nigga. So I'm gonna just do my best to
Turn this up for y'all a little bit.
You know what I'm saying?
Turn this up a little bit. My fault, YouTube.
To make salad, you want to use a really nice, flavorful tomato. It's nice to get locally grown tomatoes. We're going to cut them in wedges. Now, a serrated knife, or this is actually called a tomato knife, is...
Duke has no cooking ability. That's
DoorDash.
fine. We'll cheat most likely regardless. Duke orders DoorDash all day, every day, or Uber Eats. I don't know what his app of choice is. What I do know is he does that shit 5 times a day. So there's a good chance that
Grub up gang or no gang, dickhead. Let me stop.
Why would you do that? Oh, he actually is. Why would you do that? Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. This is real. That's real. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think Chris could be potentially.
Chris, does he get cut?
Will he get injured? If he finds a way to like mess up his finger or tear his, you never know.
Oh shit.
Yeah, she did end up falling. Okay. You wildin', gangy.
None of us like tomatoes.
It's alright.
Like, I take them out most of the time. You know what I'm saying? This is, what is that?
You know what I'm saying? Like, I probably fucked up a little bit on this, but my shit look immaculate.
I feel like there should be a machine that could cut the stuff for us, though.
My man, what the fuck you doing right there, bro?
Oh, that's my dog. He be in there cooking. He got a little weird, food. You know what I'm saying? Choices. I seen the nigga eating. Wait, what the nigga eating? What, steak and watermelon and on some other shit. I'm like, psh, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I think my dog can cook. Y'all seen him cooking salmon the other day too.
Chop it up. Chop it up. Chop it up.
Asian food, he not him. You know what I'm saying? He's not him. Kai and Phantom is where things get a little mixy. You know what I'm saying? Because Phantom, he got the experience. You know, he got the pass. He has the credentials. You know what I'm saying?
You better make this the Aki way.
Aki way, sure.
The Aki way. I was talking to the roll. Bruce. I was talking to the roll. The Aki way. No. Why would you do that? Oh, he actually is. Why would you do that?
They put this back in.
Oh my god. This is real. That's real. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucking god.
Do we need to, stop, hold on, wait a second. Who the fuck likes tomatoes? Do we need tomatoes?
Hey, there's a lot of people that like tomatoes, Agent, bro. Like, come on. I don't like tomatoes, but, bro, there's a lot of people that do.
You ever cut yourself before, cutting tomatoes?
I had the full Gumby at one point. My shit was gone.
Yeah.
Like, I don't feel nothing here.
Oh, you're like, your nerves and shit fucked up.
You're winning right now.
I ain't gonna do. I used to put it in a girl's thing. I never felt it right there, so she used to love it.
Wow.
She twirled around. I ain't feel shit.
Don't you want to feel something?
When you're in that deep.
How can you tell if you're on the clit if you can't feel?
I ain't talking about the clit, dog.
He's talking about the ass, my boy.
Oh, you're a freak. I'm not concerned about no.
You talking about that ass, my boy.
Whatever team Davis on is gonna make an inedible meal. Let's start there. So Davis team off the rip, don't worry about it.
Nah. You want to serve me that when I'm fine? Like, yo, who top cheese is that? That's me right there.
I'm showing you how to make it. This is my shit. I'm hungry as hell.
What?
My shit.
You on the line? What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, nigga, you're not about to skip me on this line, nigga. Where my mother?
Y'all don't have to be in this video. We're being honest. You guys are not gonna win.
Agent, you're not gonna win because Phantom is better than you.
Win him.
Talk to that nigga.
And you are the worst cooker in
Talk to him.
Talk to him. You are the worst cooker in A&P.
Worst cook.
Talk to him. Get it.
Hey,
Talk
Mo.
your shit.
You gotta help these guys out, bro.
Bro, your man's right here was throwing the knife around like he was fucking electric shit. He was fucking the fuck out. No. Yo, everybody run. Everybody get the fuck out of here. Everybody get out of here.
Ain't none of my business. And the world would be a way better place. People just mind their own business. They ain't got
Mind their own goddamn business. Talk about it, dope.
He about to just jam the meat in there.
Pause.
Why you telling us that though? Like, yo, what's going on? He be getting down and dirty. The Aki way. Oh shit! Oh my god! Yo, get him back!
W dunks.
Fight back, nigga! Fight pillow.
Nigga, is there socks in here?
Is there something here?
Nigga.
It up, nice and slow. You put stuff in it. You feel me?
Of course.
You just pound down.
But like, what if you ain't got that much experience? Like with that type of shit.
Then you just stuff it.
Like what you mean?
Stuff it, bro.
Like, like hard?
Yeah.
Are we talking about food, guys?
Yeah.
He talking about food, guys.
Lock in for
Yeah,
tweak the
my
fuck out.
Lock in for our tweak out. NBA Streets music. Bro, I was just playing that game. I got the modded version if y'all want me to play. I'm just saying.
Let's go!
This fucking guy.
This fucking guy. W angle, W camera angle. W chopped cheese.
But this is the fucking lobster type shit. You talking about glizzy, bro?
You know lobsters are bottom feeders, right?
Oh,
What's that
what
mean?
they is?
I don't know what that means.
So when whales take a shit and everything take a shit and it falls to the bottom of the ocean, that's when lobsters be eating, bro.
Why would you tell us that before we? You should have kept that to yourself. I feel like you shouldn't have told us that right there, man.
Shit, busting, bro.
Yeah. Fun fact: lobsters used to be the trash shit to eat, bro. Like that shit used to be dirt cheap to eat, bro. Like that ass used to be like cents and shit. Like it used to be like the garbage, and then I don't know what made it like sought after. That made it mad expensive. But now that ass used to be like the cheap eats. Like the broke niggas ate lobster before.
Huh?
Hey,
Whoa.
hold on real quick. I got
Whoa, dude.
Hold on. Keep it all the way up. 1,000.
Yeah, 100 or 1,000.
1,000.
Or 1,000.
You eat mayonnaise sandwiches, don't you?
Mayonnaise sandwiches. I'm not eating no mayo sandwich.
$50.
That's aim high.
$100 right now. You eat a mayonnaise sandwich. No.
No, you.
So how's the wife and kids, baby?
Everything's been going good, man. You know, just got the new crib. Now we gotta, lawn landscaping. You know, the dog's sick.
Yeah, my wife cheating on me.
She is again.
I think you're already.
Again?
Yep.
Who's that in the background?
She is again.
I think you're already.
Who are you? Hello, lady.
Yep.
Wait, we didn't do the shrimp.
You're on your own on the trip, my brother.
I'm such an admirer of your work, man. Yeah, man.
I swear, bro, it's just like you're a legend in these streets, bro.
Shrimp easy as fuck. I've been watching TikToks on like food, and they always say like shrimps is, bro. They don't take it,
Easy.
bro. They don't take
You know what, man? I got an air fryer.
Motherfucking Mo.
Say it again. Say it again.
Motherfucking
Mo. Motherfucking Mo.
And you know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't fucking with you, bro.
Yo, what he said back then, they didn't want me, now they. Back then, they didn't want me, now they all on me. KC3S with the motherfucking cannon. Boom, nigga.
Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now hot hoes are all on me. Mike Jones, who?
Ass. Yo, get out. Get sturdy, nigga.
Hey, you can hear his footsteps.
Bruh, I'm trying to congratulate y'all.
Oh, thank you.
You know what I'm saying? Even though y'all treated me like shit, made me eat a meal sandwich. That's crazy. But you did give me a little something for that, so I appreciate the apron, brother.
What's this right here?
That's your apron, dog.
Word. Graduated from the motherfucking street.
Yes, sir. There you go. And it's an urban apron. You see that? You know what I'm saying?
Graduated from the motherfucking street.
Shit on my hair, I'm trying to congratulate you. All right, man.
Them motherfuckers buzzing, nigga. Damn.
Hey! Now do this. Now do this.
I ain't doing that. Come on, man. I ain't doing that. I Millie Rock. What the fuck was that? I'm not doing that. Nah. I hit you with the old school shit. I mean, do some of that.
Yo! He got us some Micah Mary aprons! Nah! These is jeans! Hold on. I think my shit Dior.
it alright. I mean, I pray for you on that truck, the whole knives in there, alright, bro? There you go, man.
Well, there's a fire apron, my brother.
I'm an Avenger now.
Only from Chef Mo himself, bro. Oh my God, bro. Be more fucking hype. Chef Mo just gave you that.
Chef Mo. Look up, bro. From the bottom of my heart, it means so much to me.
Yeah.
This is me. I will make you proud.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
It's possible.
Hell yeah.
Hey bro, hey bro, hey bro. Get sturdy, nigga. Get sturdy. Get sturdy right now, bro. Hey, get sturdy right now.
Hey. Hey.
That butter smells so good, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Under there, under there, under there. Let's use that little kid to attract customers. Oh, word. Let's do that. Yo, with that little nigga. Hey, look. I'll make you 10 cents an hour if you tell everybody about this food truck, all right? Tell everybody that yell like, hey, we got a food truck here. Make sure y'all pull up, all right?
We got
Top cheese. You ever heard of top cheese?
No. You gonna have one today?
New York style. You gonna have one today for free on the house. But make sure you around. We gonna give it to you. Mr. Beast, goddamn, Mr. Beast. Hold on. Okay. Top cheese, top cheese. Hold on, you wildin' right there. Hey yo, throw this on the book, nigga.
You want to make the video work like this?
I'm gonna say it smells good. I hope it tastes good.
You look like you. Never mind. I was gonna say something mad inappropriate. But hi. My name is Picu. Hello. Hello, lady. Hope you taste good.
I ain't never had a chopped cheese. I'm from LA. I don't think we have.
Yeah.
Oh man, you're not living.
I don't like New York.
What?
Damn.
Oh, so
What you mean? What you mean don't like New York? Hold on. What? Fuck you mean you don't like New York? What's going on? What's going on, dog? We got chopped cheese and stuff
on the
like
house.
that.
On the house?
On the house. Yeah, everybody like 20.
So I'm on the camera.
It's gonna be good. Trust me, it's gonna be good. We gonna have that touch, that love. You feel me?
They gonna burn that shit.
I'll be ready.
Alright. I'm gonna holler at you safely. I think she was on your dick, man. I think she was on my
I think she was on his dick for real.
She was on your dick, gang.
Nigga, your dick gangy.
Like that. Chop it up. Chop it up. Hey, you gonna get it the Aki way. Now you gonna eat it the Aki way. Hey, he ain't too now. He ain't too. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. Hold on. Hey. Come on. One food.
That shit look like muscle, nigga.
Nigga, you know me, nigga. Hey, yo! Hey, free food in the house! Pull up! Yeah. You get some, alright? You get, hey, come get your, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Here you go. What's your name, brother? Here you go, here. On the house, be careful, here. Nice little Arizona for you.
Go on about it, bro.
How that motherfucker taste, gang? Yeah! Take a bite. I want you to take a bite real quick. Let me know how that motherfucker tastes, bro. New York to the A. Come on. Yeah. How motherfucker taste? Yes, sir. Get this. Hold on. Get that. How that motherfucker taste, gang? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That motherfucker tastes good, right? Hey, shut your ass up, little nigga.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how was Kai's and Phantom's bodega?
Like, I say like a good 9.5.
9.5?
9.5 out of 20?
Yeah, 9 out of 50.
Oh, wait, you said
That was out of 50. No, but it's too late.
You're
cut that
locked in
out.
on 9.5.
On a scale from 9 to 10, you know, how was his sandwich? How was his sandwich, my brother?
I mean, come on, bro. You know I'm Go fire.
It was fine?
He didn't even finish it. He stopped eating it. He started eating something else.
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Yeah. He was eating the Franks more than the damn
Yeah,
sandwich.
he left that shit.
I ain't gonna lie, you was eating the glizzy more than the sandwich.
If you like the glizzy, it's okay.
To 50. How was the show?
9 to 50?
Yeah.
Yep.
I give something about 45.
11. He said
Look up him. The
he said 44 out of 100.
Fried 10 out of 10.
Oh my God. They killed that shit.
Okay.
No, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, we heard you. 10 out of 50.
Bro, they went crazy on that shit. That shit look hella good. I'm about to make a chopped cheesy on the cribby. I'm chopped cheesy at the cribby.
They about to make some food too. It's three companies. Oh wait, hold on. What you say?
We don't want there.
Hold on. What y'all saying?
We don't want there.
All right, say it a little bit louder. Y'all don't want who's?
There.
Y'all don't want them niggas?
No.
Okay. Now you gotta make some on the house. Hey, look.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying. We got right here. We got the chopped cheese special coming straight out the Bronx from the Bronx era. You feel me?
Zona.
Now I want y'all to inspect it. Look what you know what I'm saying.
How it look? It's a New York signature. The chopped cheese.
W-Wop cheese.
Y'all ever heard of chopped cheese? I've never heard of a chopped cheese. Once or twice.
Wait, is that Peaks?
Okay, once or twice.
Peaks was in a fucking A&P video? Yo, what the fuck? Damn. Chill out, homie. Yo, yeah. Yo, like I said, my name is Picu though. Like for real, like I'm 22. Like what's popping for real? Like goddamn, like damn.
Yeah, just that's not quite there. But no, we gonna try it.
Hey, look, we don't got time for
Man, W Peaks.
games. This is real shit.
I know he's a.
Okay, I'm
Fries first or not?
Yeah, try whatever you want.
I bet.
I suggest the chopped cheese first.
We got rolls and shit.
The fries are good.
Fries is fire, yeah.
Fries are good.
These don't y'all
I'm real picky.
So is Peaks.
Go take a bite. Hey, Pete, go take a nice bite in that. Okay, hold on. He munching. Hold on, he munching.
Hold on, y'all.
It is like in and out.
Look, I'm gonna be going
Why
with
y'all
y'all.
mad at in and out?
Y'all niggas need to put some mayonnaise on that shit.
It's not mayonnaise on it. What you talking
You ain't put enough. Like it's alright. But the meat don't got that much. I ain't gonna hold y'all.
Hey, look, we don't got time for no games.
No, I keep it a band, bro.
Peaks keeps it a stack.
I like it.
I mean, I like it. I took a bite. I still been chewing this whole time. I ain't been able to really check nothing. It might need a little more of that.
More flavor in the meat. Wait, hold on.
What you say? Can you say it again? What you say?
I like it.
Oh, thank you. Hold on.
And I'm not.
I like you for real. Let me stop.
You're not taking bigger bites. I gotta take bigger bites.
I gotta take bigger bites.
That shit alright.
Fuck with it.
It's alright. It just need more flavor.
How you like the fries?
The fries hit. I fuck with the fries. Yeah, fries good. Hey, this the Red Robin fry. Red Robin jump.
I don't know what's going on.
He said this the Red Robin Jones.
You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I'm hella picky, and I actually like
Appreciate it.
it. Tastes good.
Hanging. Let me stop.
I got some seafood for you a little bit later.
I love seafood.
And you know, it's like they try and bamboozle you with the Arizona. if they really cared about you, they'd have served you the mango. They was just telling me how great this meal was. I was seeing like, I would have ate some if I wasn't fasting. I would have ate. Hey, good thing that I've been building rapport with the hood. I've been playing volleyball.
What's your meal?
Yeah.
What's your meal?
Shrimp and lobster, nigga. Hey, don't walk with your chest out. Don't walk with your chest out.
Hey, you had the pool, huh?
What's up with you?
Hey, you had the pool?
Huh?
You had the pool?
No, I ain't that. Hey, but you got people that's around you, they gonna try to bust us down.
Yeah,
You gotta keep these haters at your face.
yeah.
I don't know what to do. I don't know.
What you know, nigga? Just watch the first few minutes. I bet. Got you. Copy. I can do that right now, my boy. Do that right now. Yes, I'm here right now. And I'll give, you know what I'm saying? Actually, damn. I'm already recording this shit, though. High key. I'll just pause the recording and get back into this. I'll be back. YouTube recording. I'll be back. Do video. We back, YouTube. Let's get it. Back to the video.
I don't know what you said.
Calm out there, Bobby.
Oh my God, it's fucking helpless. It's fucking helpless. It's fucking. You're not helping me. You supposed to be a fucking chef.
No Nintendo.
Chef Mo.
No Nintendo.
Chef
No
Mo,
entiendo.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Put in the fryer. Put in the fryer.
Alright.
What the fuck is you doing, bro? This the fryer right here to get the wings right here. This the fryer, bro.
My bad. Damn. Alright. Thank you for. See, you cooked something for me, my brother.
Alright. Yo, put one on one.
Oh, my bad. My bad. Alright.
Faster, bro.
Alright. I'm sorry. Where the fuck is Davis?
Sometimes, bro, some of y'all, man, your chefs is dirty. Yeah, bro, you clean your hands today? You clean your hands today?
how you my face.
Clean your fucking hands, nigga. Get back in the truck. Clean your hands and get back in the truck,
Get
man.
back in the kitchen, nigga.
Whoa, that's sexist.
I said to you.
Really good question. Where did you wash your hands today?
He didn't wash his hands. He don't wash his hands.
There is nowhere to wash your hands. So where did you?
Sanitizer. You're on
With
my
what? With
dick.
what? Where is
In
it?
my
I want some.
car, in my car.
Can I have some?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm calling him. He's a no call, no show, dog. No call,
Bro, I
no
already
show. No call, no show. He's not coming, dog. He's not picking
You
up.
didn't answer?
Nah.
Oh my God, I can't do this a fucking. It's called Chris and Davis Chicken and Waffles. Chris and Davis Chicken and Waffles, and right now it's Chris Chicken and Waffles.
It could be Chris and Mo.
Chris and Mo.
Chris and Mo.
Yeah.
Mo and Chris.
Hey.
Oh, you want to go first? Chris and Mo sounds good.
You know what I'm
Chris,
saying?
you do Chris and Mo.
That's what I want to tell you.
Okay.
You're probably gonna come in last place. Don't let that demoralize you.
Phantom's better than you.
In what?
Life, nigga.
And now you're on Phantom's cock. You're riding heavily.
Phantom's
Reverse cowgirl.
Phantom better.
At what?
Phantom better.
Phantom better plus ratio.
God damn. You know what I'm saying? God damn. Hey, 7 more. 7 more. It wouldn't be. Oh, no, hold on. Oh, we gonna go like. Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, brother. Hey.
Look who finally made it, bro. Come on, bro. Yo, Bobby, where you was at, Bobby?
This shit is good.
We're at work and you eating, my boy?
We're at a restaurant. This is work, nigga.
Yo, rub me my fucking chicken and waffles.
Phantom is better than you.
Yo, bro.
Okay?
Random.
Dick riding.
I got customers leaving.
Dick riding.
You know, we wasn't doing that. We was not doing that shit.
Okay, I have a question.
I'm trying to help you
Yeah,
out.
there's not one thing being cooked right now.
Bro, come on, bro.
Y'all chilling.
Look, I'm gonna hook you up with some shit afterwards. And I can pay you a little extra if you just move them hating ass niggas away from my shit.
Okay, I got
Can you?
It's one short nigga, dreads, and then one with a puffy bush. I don't have problems with nobody else. Everybody fucking cool. But Agent 000 and Cassinet.
Lil C-Nat. We call him Lil C-Nat. We need them packed up out of here. I need them to feel our pain.
Yes, right?
You see him talking to my mom right there? Okay.
That Davis's mom? Oh shit! Agent doing the dash.
We're gonna get him next time.
Next time,
Agent juked him out.
bro. Yeah. A lot of ducks and dogs.
I just grab it. I put a waffle there. I put another waffle there.
Boom.
One
more.
Hey,
One more.
Hey.
Boom.
No. The customer satisfaction first, nigga.
All right, no. No, I was gonna eat it. Yeah, come on.
Hey. Okay. Of course I got it, chef, my brother.
Sauce it up.
Sauce it up.
Come on. Sauce it up.
Do too much.
Sauce it up. Do too much. Oh, you not listening. One flat, one drum, bro. If you was listening to the ordinary, the greatness of Chef Mo, you
on
know.
Chef Mo dick right now, I ain't gonna lie.
So what?
Oh.
Yeah, so what? So what? I'm on Chef Mo's dick. So what? I'm on his dick.
Yo. I just wanted to hate peacefully.
Hello. Welcome to Chris and Davis's Southern Comfort Chicken and Waffles. Make some noise if you're ready for some fucking waffles. Thank you.
I'm on hold, baby. I'm about to shut them niggas down, man. They better act quick. Once I'm done with them. Actually, on some real shit, I'm doing everybody a favor. Eating Davis cooking is a mistake. I've made it before. Don't be one of me.
Come on, man. Try my shit, y'all. Come on, bro. Come on, Avery. Try my shit, nigga. Hey,
Sir, gang.
You a judge? Hell no. You. All right. Try my motherfucking chicken and waffles. Come on, nigga.
Bro, you got salad on your shit, bro?
It's not solid. It's not solid.
Coastline to make it look lavish.
Come on, it is lavish.
Is that K Showtime?
Well, you been in the gym, you know what I'm saying? I've been thinking about that, you know what I'm saying? Like niggas might be healthy, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, let me throw some coleslaw on it for the healthy niggas.
What kind of chicken this is, Tom?
What kind of chicken?
Yeah.
Vegan and shit, all that shit. You healthy, right?
There were some kids shooting like maybe a music video or selling food out of a food truck in his private parking lot.
In his private parking lot?
Correct.
He's snitching?
Okay.
Agent, come on.
So I'll be happy to assist you, but so you think they
Are they doing it now or?
Yeah, like right now, I'm looking at them do it.
How y'all liking the food? How y'all liking the food?
Said it tastes good.
Tastes good. What would you
I'm
rate
gonna
it?
be real.
Nah, that nigga's hair was moving. Yo, props to him.
How y'all liking the food?
Yo, no hate here. I don't care what anybody likes. That's some good hair.
How y'all liking the food?
Said it tastes good.
Tastes good. What would you rate
I'm
it?
gonna be real.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna be real, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, just being honest,
Okay.
on a scale of 1 to 10,
Okay.
I give it like an 8.5.
Oh.
What's wrong with it? What to make it a 10?
I need a little bit. I need some of Davis's blonde, you know what I'm saying, sprinkled in that bitch.
What?
Duke need to spit on it.
What?
I need to dance on this bitch.
Huh?
And then like one of Chris's beard hairs. Mwah. Word to my dead.
Nothing from
He
Agent?
said, "Wow, more than my debts."
From Agent?
Agent just need to be there and then it's straight, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. Why you not eating? I'm fasting. Oh, you fasting? Oh, you fasting? You fasting? Yeah. Not fasting? Yeah, I'm fasting. You fasting? Yeah. You fasting? Look at you eat?
Should I try speaking with them first? Like, I don't know what to tell them. I guess leave.
I don't want to advise. I mean.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just try. Hey! Are y'all supposed to be here? Oh my god, I think they're... Okay. Okay, I have to go. They're walking towards me.
Okay.
Okay, I have to...
You need any help?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Appreciate it. Okay, wait, one sec. Wait.
Come on, bro. Just try my damn shit.
Agent is doing too
Take a bite,
much.
Take a bite.
Nigga always want to win, but you didn't do that against Phantom.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Oh, no, chicken. Come on. Chicken. And you just eat it with your grills like that? Come on, nigga. I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't do you dirty.
It is my humble privilege.
Take your time. I want you, take your time as you judge.
Showtime?
It is my humble privilege.
Oh, she's back out again. On a different fit. Ah!
None of his hands.
Can someone hold the lady's stuff? Come on.
Of course.
What's wrong with y'all?
No, God. Damn.
Yeah.
You looking
I got it already, man.
good. Let me stop.
You got a fucking round next. I know you.
What was that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like sweet shit.
So what we call
Bro, I'm chilling. Let me put this back on. I gotta hear everything.
Davis.
I'm trying to chicken first.
Alright.
You named it after yourself?
It was named after me. Agent, get the fuck out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You guys need to be as honest as possible here in this criticism.
Now, honestly, hey, fuck what he's saying because I'm holding your stuff. Now, I got a phone in your hand. I will drop that motherfucker. I'm not. But if you say it's good, you know what I'm saying, your shit is.
Now, he may not be able to run away with it, but I have perfectly capable knees. I will run with it.
Yes. I know you fuck with it. Look at it. You know what I'm saying?
It's not bad.
It's missing something.
It's not bad
Too much
though.
sauce on it.
Yo, no. I ain't gonna you be a picky ass nigga right now, bro.
Stop.
You being mad picky for no reason right now.
I ain't gonna lie. You
tighten up, bro. Tighten up.
You just hating the hate.
But I don't know if I needed the sauerkraut. I don't know
Too
what's
much sauce, but it's good though.
Okay.
Yeah, it can go. Let me see the waffle now though. Nah, the waffle's soggy, bro. What's going on? I like the presentation.
No. That's because of the syrup. It desaturated the.
So you over sauced it?
No, I didn't over sauce it.
Oh, you did.
It's just the sauce, the type of sauce.
But you know who's not saying anything? Herb.
You just spit it out.
I don't like waffles. Yeah, the chicken wings are good. The waffles don't not. The waffles need work.
Disrespectful.
You know what it is, bro?
Like me personally, I don't know.
Hey,
But I eat my waffles like cooked properly, like you know. It has to have a little crunch on it. This is like soggy, bro.
Hey, watch out. No. I ain't gonna lie. How you know you're not soggy?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hey yo. Hey yo.
How is that pause?
I don't know, but I'm gonna pause it.
I like it hard.
Yo, what the fuck?
Hey yo.
Now that's pause.
That's pause.
Way over your pause.
Hey yo, Chris.
Yeah.
That sauce is crazy, bro. It carried everything. Man, fuck, it's a 10.
Oh shit.
Okay. For everybody decides, you guys are okay. They don't wash their hands here.
No, that's
called love.
That's called love.
That's called love.
Character. As long as you guys are okay with it.
That's where the salt comes from.
Davis actually put some of his
Sort of-
elbow ash into the food.
Hey, I don't even have my elbows out today. That's how you know he lying. You were hating that shit.
Shave it with the grain.
You do not deserve a platform.
And you deserve to be canceled.
You deserve to be canceled. That was referencing the agent versus fucking What's this bum ass nigga's name? What's this nigga name? Oh, Fredo. Pretty boy Fredo. You don't deserve a platform and you are canceled. That's when he tried to make up saying AJ was talking about his daughter and he never was. Fuck that nigga. Fuck you, nigga. You were cool when you were in the 2K community. Now you a bitch. Fuck, nigga.
Let's go a little higher. What you want in life? What you want in your life right now, bro?
I got a nice place. I got a nice place we can hoop at. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I got a nice.
Nah, he don't care about basketball, nigga. See, and I knew that. And he didn't know that.
Hey, no funny shit.
I really care about you.
Hey, sometimes I be going to Icebox and just buying niggas I go with shit. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I need a new chain. I need a chain.
Hey, you want some grills too?
Yeah. You gonna let him lie to you like that? Yeah, this shit a 10, man.
Oh my god.
Now what you gonna say?
Yeah, he do want the smoke. What's good, Frankie? Yo, we're watching AMP runs a food truck. Yeah.
I literally have a video. God himself, I cooked that shit with a little bit of help too. But I'm just saying. God, bro. What you gonna do?
I see Mo cooking by himself right now, bro.
Hey, W press in the chat, nigga. I just press you. I just press you. Hey, I just pressed him.
Yo, bro. He's cooking right now.
Oh, bro. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Look, I'm cooking this shit right now. He gonna say I wasn't cooking this shit. Look at Evans. I'm dead ass cooking right now.
You just got in there.
What do you mean?
You here to take care of them? You here to take care of them right there?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Oh, okay. Hey, get a truck. Security is.
Free agent to his backwards.
It don't even matter, man. We sold out because we did so fucking good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look, yeah, we see you hating and shit, trying to tear us down, but my brother is doing good anyway.
It's not me, man. It's not me.
Hey, get this nigga off the premises. Get this nigga off the premises, please.
Y'all trying to eat free food? What up, y'all? We got some lobster and shrimp for y'all, man.
I'm a fuck.
This is called, in the business, I'm a businessman now. I got a truck. This is called customer acquisition. My customer acquisition.
Where's your membership? Where's your membership? Do you got a permit? Can you be here? No.
Right here, man. This already cooked low key. So, just in case we, you know what I'm saying, we fuck up the meal a little bit. Publix had me covered. Kroger had me covered.
Niggas already cheating. This nigga's always fucking cheating.
They cheated like shit. So, I'm on timing.
They didn't cheat though.
This is like a food court. That we call it? Food court.
Food truck. Food truck.
Food truck. Right around this corner right here.
Right here?
If you're not busy. What do you mean?
I'm not sure.
That means I only eat fish.
It's seafood. It's seafood.
Has you see a little man with a red hat?
Hey, look. She finna go get some seafood. What she call it? Presbyterian?
Pescatarian.
That's exactly what she said.
Seafood, whatever the fuck they call it, the chef says you can't serve it. It's unservable. Alright, what the fuck is going on, bro? What happened? The actual food ran out. Nah, I'm joking.
Oh, God, I ate like 30. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just by myself, man, holding it down, doing customer acquisition. You know what I'm saying? It's called guerrilla marketing. You feel me? When you
guerrilla marketing.
Spend crazy. It's called guerrilla marketing.
Okay,
it's
agent.
You do where you just really use. No, bro, I have no idea how to do any of this. So I'm gonna start with the shrimp.
And
then we're gonna move on to the lobster.
Copy.
I wish I had Duke here right now.
Wook.
Let's take a look on the shrimp. Oh my God, it's close. It's close. Woo!
Hey, what's up, dog?
How did the customer acquisition go?
Come on, man. You see the line outside, man. What a Hey, look, what a
We got gloves for you right here, man.
Yep, I need them.
You know what I'm saying? I got this open up. The shrimp is cooking right there, man. So
sanitary.
Yeah, of course.
Sanitary,
of
okay.
course. So this is what we about to do. I'm gonna have you butter up the buns.
Okay.
And like toast them for me.
Toast them, motherfuckers.
And we're gonna put these in together.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna take care of the shrimp, and we gotta do one more last shrimp.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're looking good right now. Hey, security. Hey, Kai, please don't make too much noise. Security, if anyone acts up, bro, pack him up. ASAP. If you hear a noise.
Hey, gang. So boom, right? So I'm putting butter in
the middle and on the outside. Boom. And then flip it.
Say
just like that, man.
Say the fuck less, hoe ass nigga.
It just look good as fuck, no cap.
I put more than one down, bro.
What? More than one what? This is the fourth one.
Bro, y'all niggas is bad slow.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. You can't be that hateful. Hey, bro, get out. Get out. Security!
Hey, man, what he at, man? What a nigga at, man?
Where's Mo?
Mo?
Yeah.
Tell him to leave. Yo, I know, I overcooked this. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I overcooked this, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Why you trying to make this me? Because I thought we could fucking handle it.
Where you at, bro?
Shut the fuck up. Get out.
Bro, you got this shit ready yet, nigga.
Hey, buddy, get the crowd hype, will you? Yo, Asia, perform, nigga. Perform. Yo, get sturdy, bro.
They mad quiet and shit. They're not even having a good time.
That is your job. That's your job. You get sturdy.
Nah. Yo, get sturdy, bro. Yo, get the crowd hype, bro. Yo, Duke, come out here. Hey, do a backflip. God damn.
Bro, New York niggas talking about do a backflip. You already know what I'm gonna tell them niggas to do.
Okay.
Do a backflip.
Don't say nothing, but I do have some already cooked shrimp here, and I have some already cooked bread there that's already toasted. So if we fuck up for whatever reason, we're straight.
Hey, man, tell everybody in the crowd to shut the fuck up.
Okay. This shit whack, nigga.
Hey, I need quiet.
I'll run the back of this truck and
That's me though. Security guard.
Back him up. What the fuck?
What the fuck is going on? Where my shit? Where's your membership? My nigga's ready to die for us.
Niggas begging. Niggas begging, man. They begging.
We know. This not a fast food truck. This seafood. Hey. I don't like y'all inciting violence.
Got my first two for my dogs right here.
Yeah. Hey, follow me on Instagram.
Follow me on Instagram. Follow my dog on Instagram right here. Hey, look, hold on. This nigga been begging all day. Nigga been begging all motherfucking day. Hey, look, nigga been chatting the whole time. Nigga get food. He's stealing. Hey, little nigga. Hey.
Bro, it's like all the hard work, bro. There's no appreciation. It's just more criticism and more hate. And it's for people that thought we're friends. Pretty fucked up.
Yo, I know you were here. Let me out to the back.
You know what's funny is they didn't even cook for their own.
Hey yo, start that shit down. Bro, stop trying.
I'm getting bullied. I'm just gonna call the police. I'm like 1 second away from just calling the police.
Man, he pissed on me.
I'm not pissed. Yeah.
He crying? He got tears in his eyes.
Hey, yo, buddy, you had to throw it up on him, gang.
That's crazy.
Look, he about to quit his job. Yo, greatest shit has shut this shit down, nigga. Yo. You are out of business. Nigga, go get a G, a J-O-B. You are not an entrepreneur, nigga. Yo, you fell off. Nigga, you got 5 years old. You fell off. Look at you. What are you doing?
Hey, leave my man's alone, bro. What you talking about over there, man? Get out of here, man.
Mo.
Joe, come on. Hey, y'all sure y'all want to eat their food though? Bro, I mean, shit. Yeah, would you trust Duke and AJ cooking for you? Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
I mean, but they not the chefs though.
That's what I'm saying. Nah, that's it.
I think you just being L man for it though.
Oh damn.
You're being weird.
I'm not even weird. Like, these supposed to be your brothers, and you're not even supporting them.
Nah, slick. You supposed to be like, this shit is whack. Shit.
How you know?
All right, you know what? I'm gonna let you eat the food and throw it, nigga. That's what I get. That's what I get for trying to look out for another brother. Fuck it. Fuck it.
What you say? Bro, chill, bro. You said you got what? You got more, nigga. Let me rub it in there, you know what I'm saying?
What's just happening, man? What's just happening?
I'm not ready to die for Duke.
Excuse me?
I said I'm not ready to die for Duke.
Too many black people out here. You want to tell Duke that you're not ready to die? Come on.
Do a backflip! Do a backflip! Do a backflip! Do a backflip!
Hey, bro. We got goddamn no water. We got Coke and Dr. Pepper type shit.
What type of shit? What type of nigga this is? This is a fucking lobster restaurant, my brother. That's the only shit I got.
Bro, get the fuck out my face, nigga.
I wasn't gonna talk to you. Yeah, I'm gonna see you after work. Hey, I'm gonna see you after work, nigga.
We got the seafood.
Oh, my favorite judge. My favorite judge.
I'm a little nervous, but we gonna see.
Yeah, we gonna see for real. For real, we gonna see for real. I love you. Respectfully.
Bro, why the fuck?
Bro, you scared, nigga?
Bro, why y'all worry? Bro, why the fuck y'all worry about my business though?
Okay, but what does that do with you? What does that do with you though? My own business.
Are you a lobster landlord?
Lobster landlord.
Ask your motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Like, my business.
Hey, yo, you got it.
Hey, fellas, listen. Of course.
I'll hold that for you. Bev of choice?
It's a lot.
You got some water, my brother?
Yikes, we don't do water, just soft drinks.
What we got?
Coke, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, orange juice. Give me one of the Sprites, man.
I'll take an orange juice, man. I'll take a
Coke, Sprite. Okay, hold.
Hey, listen. Hey, look. Before y'all dig in, all right? It's about presentation. Okay. It did not present it well.
Doesn't taste matter?
Yeah. No. I was going down.
It's got like a chicken salad aroma.
Smell like Goo Lagoon water.
Yeah.
All right. Taste. Texture. Hold on. Chill, nigga. Let me talk to these niggas, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just chill, bro. Look at him. He's so. Look at this nigga, man. Oh, nah, nigga do this right here is raps.
That means it's incredible.
Hey, dude, this shit ass, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I gotta be real.
No,
So how you feel about that?
Chris Mans, he literally paid him to say that.
No.
Hey,
This tastes like an MRE, my boy. Tastes like an MRE. And you know we don't like that, bro. Come on.
This is the last cooking video I do, bro, because niggas keep trolling. Last one was Omar. This time is this. That's Chris Mans, bro. That's Chris Mans. You might have to. Not right now, though. Not right now. Wait till.
Nah.
Oh shit.
Hey, after these 3 days of tasting, man, after deliberation, the chopped cheese, chicken and waffles, this amazing lobster roll, we decided on a team. That team is
Yeah! ain't no New York fucking City, nigga. I'm not from New York City. I'm from Massachusetts. But bow. Fuck, nigga.
Hey, look. A lobster roll's ass, bro. Hey, look, man. What the other judge at? I'm missing the judge. New York up. Yo, we up 2,000. 2,000. Up 1,000. 2,000. 3,000. What are you talking about, man? Come on, 3,000, man. 3,000, 5,000. 10,000. Yes, sir. Yeah. Around me. Around me.
Yeah.
I never felt it before.
Excuse me.
Hold on. Let me say congratulations.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Congratulations, dog.
Hey, appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, bro. No, I'm saying? From yeah, winners only. Hey, look.
Hey, clap it up for Kai and Phantom real quick. Clap it up for Kai and Phantom.
Bro, the edit right there.
Hey, hold on.
Oh.
Good shit. Fuck up.
You used to go to jail for that, bro. You used to go to jail for that, bro. For riding dick with no license.
Hey. Alright, yo. Alright, gangy. But yo, YouTube. It's been the man, the myth, the legend, the GOAT, aka your grandma's favorite streamer. Off the imitate. Oh, content creator, because you know this is for YouTube. Off the imitate, never duplicated. Fuck is you talking about? We'll see y'all next time. Win 'em.